Now we are going to make the variation calculation at the rate of VA is equal to 4% for blend number 3. Whatever the value we have already calculated for this blend, it's given over here 73%. This percentage of the bitumen is 4.6%. The air whites, the calculated is 3.2%. This VFA calculated for this one is 13.8%. This compaction is 89%. And other last compaction 96.7%. Here we will have to apply our delta function. As we have done earlier, delta VA is equal to 4 negative of 3.2, it will give us 0.8. This is the value calculated for this delta VA. Now, PB final would be equal to how much bitumen we are using? 4.6 minus 0.4 into 0.8. It will give us a value like approximately 4.3% after applying this operator. Approximately. Third one, delta VMA. Because it is less than 4, it would be equal to negative 0.1 into 0.8. It will be equal to negative 0.08. This is the value. When we are going to apply this value, we are going to get VMA final is equal to 13.8 negative 0.08 approximately is comes out to be 13.7%. Then same VFA, this I am also writing over here. The VFA value nearly comes out to be 71%. Okay. Fourth one, percentage of GMM at the rate of N initial after this adjustment is equal to 89 negative 0.8. Its value comes out to be 88.1. Fifth one, percentage of GMM at the rate of N dash final, it would be equal to 96.7 negative 0.8 approximately 95.9%. Now, whatever these calculated values have been shown over here, we will have to make the comparison of these values with our ASHTO M323 specification, then we have to check whether this blend is going to satisfy the requirement of Superpave specification or not. Very easy, because this calculation, as I have already explained it to you. Again, we will repeat the same practice. Like M323 property, then value. This PB, it is not mentioned over here. 4.3% is required. This VA specification says 4%, and we are making adjustment also to the 4%. This VMA specification says 14%, and my result is 13.7%. Here I would like to tell you one thing. It is being complied. It's not compliant. After this, VFA then comes. Here its value is 71%, it will be in compliant. Then GMM at the rate of N initial less than equal to 89%, and my value comes out to be over here is 88.2%. Similarly, GMM at the rate of N dash 96%, it is equal to 95.9. It is also being compliant. So keep this thing in mind. If any of the value given in the Superpave specification, if it is not complied, it means that blend will not be acceptable. So up to now, we had made the three blends, blend 1, blend 2 and blend 3. But blend 2 and 3 fail to meet the specification criteria given in ASHTO M323 specification. But there is only one blend, that is our blend 1, which has satisfied all the requirements given over here in the Superpave specification. So we will proceed further for the final evaluation of our mix design by using blend 1 as our design aggregate structure. Please mark my word. Blend 1 as our selected design aggregate structure, and the binder content which is coming through this our discussion as our fundamental point for the further study or further evaluation of our mix design. Thank you for seeing this.